how to create circular text in Figma. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create circular text in Figma. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Although there's no native feature for circular text, there's a plugin that we can use to help us. First, let me select my text here. I'll come to the plugins panel and type art. Then you'll see this plugin here art. I'll run it. It shows my text in a preview. I can select the strength of rounding. Let's put it at 90 and apply. There we go. Now you have circular text. As you can see, it creates a group with every character in its own individual text layer. If you try to rescale, it will mess up the spacing of letters. So what you have to do is hit the K key on your keyboard to select the scale tool, and then you can rescale it without losing the ratio. Another good trick you can do is make it spin in your prototype, but for that's about it. So that's basically how you can create circular text in Figma. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.